In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download the List Perfectly extension for Microsoft Edge. You'll want to make sure that you're logged into List Perfectly and on the main menu page within your Microsoft Edge. Go to the top menus here, hover over Help and News, and go down to Get the Latest Version. Click that. Now you'll have a decision to make. Do you want the current version or do you want the beta version? The current version is going to be the most stable. It might have some known issues, but it will have been tested and stable. The beta version is going to be less tested. That's why it's called beta. Basically, it's in testing currently, and we're considered beta testers if we use it. So you do have a responsibility if you choose beta version to report any issues that you find as you're using it, so the team is aware and can go in and code the fixes for it. Beta is a good option for anyone that needs an immediate fix for a known issue, or even if you just want to be part of the newest versions of List Perfectly. I'm going to select the beta version for purposes of this tutorial, but you can choose the current if you're more comfortable with that. Then it's going to ask you to select the browser you are using. Today we are doing Microsoft Edge. You'll see some notes over here about the beta version. They are available prior to general release. So you're getting first access to latest software, but it is important that you help the team discover unknown issues and bugs. You can read that there. It'll tell you the release date and any updates that came out with this beta. If you select the current version, it'll give you the release date, updates, and any known issues at current in that current version. Once you select Microsoft Edge, you have all this information here that you can read if you'd like, but you're going to go all the way down to the bottom. They want you to confirm that you do not have any other List Perfectly extensions on your Microsoft Edge. Now, you can have a Google Chrome and a Microsoft Edge List Perfectly extension existing at the same time. There are many different reasons why you may want to do that, but there are users who like to work in Chrome and like to work in Edge and have different tabs or windows open. So you can have one of each, but you can't have more than one on each browser. So you want to make sure that when you're downloading, whether it's to Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, that you don't have any current versions at all, beta or otherwise, on your browser. So go up here to your three dots in the top right-hand corner, click that, go down to extensions, open that, and then it's going to show you any extensions you have. Since I don't use Microsoft Edge, I don't have any extensions installed, so I'm golden, right? So I can tell them I don't, and I'm going to download the beta version. So then you want to go to the puzzle piece here on your extensions. Click that. See the eyeball next to your List Perfectly multi-channel beta? Click that eyeball so that the line through it goes away. And then your List Perfectly icon will show up here. And once you're logged into List Perfectly, you'll have quick and easy access to your menus by clicking that icon. You can get to your sales, notifications, and settings, and then the main menu here. We're going to go over all of that in a later tutorial.